Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can rent movies on your Amazon Prime on Android TV. So if you want to rent movies, you can go to the homepage of your Amazon Prime and then you can scroll down or search for any movie that you want to rent. If you scroll down, you're going to see these are the movies that are available that you can rent. It has this yellow sign on top of each movies or each series that you can rent or you can buy. So for example, if you want to rent John Wick, you can open John Wick and there's the option to rent or purchase it. So if you want to rent the movie, you can simply go to the rent movie and click on it and pay the price by the card information you have put in. So this is how you can rent movies on Amazon Prime. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.